Hey, welcome back. So quick question. Have you ever glanced at the clock and it says 1:11, and then later that day you get a receipt totaling $2.22, and then your phone battery is at 33%? Like, what are the odds, right? Well, a lot of people believe those moments are not random at all. They're called angel numbers, and if you've been noticing them, it might be worth paying attention. In this video, we're going to break down the 9 most common angel number sequences, what they mean, and most importantly, what you should actually do when you see them. Let's get into it. Angel numbers are repeating number sequences that are believed to carry spiritual messages, kind of like little nudges from the universe, your higher self, or whatever guiding force resonates with you. The idea is rooted in numerology, which is the study of the spiritual significance of numbers. Each number carries its own energy, and when a number repeats, that energy is amplified. Think of it like the universe using bold text to get your attention. Okay, let's go through each one. 111, the manifestation signal. When you see 111, think of it as a green light. This number is all about new beginnings and the power of your thoughts. It's a reminder that your mind is in a highly creative state right now. What you focus on, you attract. If 111 keeps showing up for you, the universe is essentially saying, your thoughts are becoming reality faster than usual. So make sure you're thinking about what you want, not what you're afraid of. 222, the harmony check. 222 is the number of balance, partnership, and trust. When it appears, it's often a message to be patient and to trust the process, even if things feel uncertain right now. This one frequently shows up when you're at a crossroads or when you're wondering whether a relationship or decision is worth pursuing. It's a gentle nudge that says, keep the faith, things are aligning behind the scenes. 333, the creative awakening. 333 is the energy of expression, growth, and divine support. Many people associate this number with the presence of ascended masters, enlightened beings who are cheering you on. If 333 keeps appearing, it's a sign to lean into your creativity and speak your truth. You have something valuable to offer the world, and this number is encouraging you to stop holding back. 444, the foundation builder. 444 is one of the most grounding and reassuring angel numbers you can see. It represents stability, protection, and hard work paying off. Think of it as the universe wrapping its arms around you and saying, you are exactly where you need to be. Your angels are close, your foundation is solid, and the effort you've been putting in is not going unnoticed. 555, the change is coming. Buckle up, because 555 is all about transformation. This number signals that a major shift is on its way, whether you feel ready for it or not. Now, change can feel scary, but 555 wants you to embrace it rather than resist it. The old chapter is closing, so a better one can begin. When you see 555, the best thing you can do is stay flexible, stay open, and trust that the change is leading you somewhere good. 666, the realignment. 666 gets a bad reputation, and in angel numbers, it's actually not what most people think. In numerology, 666 is a message to check in with yourself. It often appears when you've been overthinking, people-pleasing, or pouring your energy into the wrong places. It's a reminder to come back to center, to nurture yourself, reconnect with your values, and make sure your inner world is getting as much attention as your outer world. Far from being ominous, 666 is actually one of the most caring messages you can receive. 777, the spiritual jackpot. If 111 is a green light, 777 is a standing ovation. This is one of the luckiest and most spiritually significant numbers in the sequence. 777 means you are in complete alignment, spiritually, mentally, and energetically. You're on the right path, your intuition is sharp, and good things are flowing toward you. It's also a sign to keep learning and growing, because your spiritual gifts are expanding right now. 888, the abundance flow. 888 is the number of infinite flow. Literally, if you tilt the number 8 on its side, it becomes the infinity symbol. This is the angel number of abundance, prosperity, and financial energy. When 888 shows up, it's a message that you are in a cycle of receiving. Opportunities, resources, and rewards are making their way to you. This is a time to say yes to possibilities and to recognize your own worth. 999, the completion. And finally, 999. This one often brings up emotion because it marks an ending. A cycle in your life is wrapping up, a relationship, a job, a version of yourself. But here's the thing, 999 doesn't show up to make you sad. It shows up to prepare you. It's the universe saying, you've learned what you needed to learn from this chapter. It's time to release it with gratitude and step into what's next. Every ending at 9 or 99 makes space for a new beginning at 111. So what do you actually do when one of these numbers catches your eye? Here are 3 simple steps. First, pause and notice. Don't brush it off. When a number jumps out at you, take a breath and acknowledge it. Even a simple "I see you" is enough to open the channel. Second, check in with your thoughts. Angel numbers often appear in moments that carry meaning. What were you just thinking about? What question was on your mind? The number is usually a direct response to where your head was at in that moment. Third, journal it. Keep a small note on your phone or in a notebook. Write down the number, the date, and what was going on in your life. Over time, you'll start to see patterns, and those patterns will tell you a lot about your own spiritual journey. You don't have to follow any specific religion or belief system to connect with angel numbers. All you need is an open mind and a little bit of curiosity. Angel numbers are one of the gentlest ways the universe communicates with us. They don't shout, they don't interrupt, they just quietly appear on a license plate, a timestamp, a receipt, and wait for you to notice. Whether you're deep into your spiritual practice or just beginning to explore, paying attention to these numbers can bring a lot of clarity, comfort, and direction. If this video helped you, give it a like and share it with someone who keeps seeing repeating numbers. And if you want more content on numerology, spiritual growth, and living with intention, subscribe, because there's a lot more coming. Thanks for watching. Take care of yourself, and I'll see you in the next one.